Hi guys, welcome to my channel at Easy Surveys, where we make all survey processes to be easier. In this video, I want to quickly show you on how to convert a PDF cadastral plan to a DWG AutoCAD format. So in the case whereby your boss in the office or your client asks you to reproduce a plan for him or her, or you are actually trying to look for the DWG of the plan and you could not find it again, so the only thing you have is the PDF format of the plan like this. So this is a job in PDF format, so this video is just for you, okay? And maybe in the case you don't want to start all over again reproducing the plan by putting the bearing and distance and whatsoever that is on the plan, so this method is just for you. So you open your work environment on AutoCAD. So in the course of this video, I'll be using AutoCAD 2021. So when you open your new work environment on AutoCAD, okay, you just go to insert, all right, go to PDF import, all right, so you can navigate to the folder where you have the job, all right, so you click on the PDF and you click on open. So when you open, you don't have to do anything much, you just click on OK. So as you can see, it is already converted to a DWG AutoCAD format. So everything, the polyline, everything on the plan is retained the way it is. However, this is not onto a particular coordinate. So as you can see, I did not set up the coordinates of the AutoCAD format because that will not change anything whatsoever, okay? But the idea that I want to show you now is what we are to follow, okay? Because if I'm to do the ID of this particular boundary point 1, it is expected to be the coordinate here, okay? It is expected to be the coordinate here. This is the northings and this is the eastings, okay? So if I'm going to do that now, I'm just going to confirm or show you on how the thing is not the real coordinate. So on my command line, I'm going to type ID and click on enter. So here I'm just going to click on the node, and as you can see here, let me show you, this is the X, okay, it is 4.17 and this is the Y, 8.75, which is wrong, okay? So the idea is just what I want to show you now. So to move this whole plan to the right coordinates, okay, we are just going to set up our node here, okay, our point style. All right, we are going to choose the appropriate point style and go to click on 2 absolute and OK. Okay, so on my command line, I'm going to type PO and click on enter. That is point. So what I'm going to do next is to just write the coordinates of this particular point, boundary point 1. Okay, it is already given on the plan. Okay, so it is 529,940.21. okay, 529,940.21, comma. So it's just like me plotting with the coordinates method on AutoCAD. So I'm going to put the nothings. So the nothings is 736,131.36. okay, so when I'm done typing the eastings and nothings, I click on enter. Okay, that will actually plot the coordinate in the right point. So what I'm going to do is to move this particular whole plan to that particular point. So I'm just going to click on my zoom extent here. Okay, it's going to zoom the whole plan for me, and here, somewhere here, okay, is the point. So as you can see, this is the node, the correct coordinate of boundary point 1. So I want to move my whole plan, okay, that is somewhere here, to that particular point. So what I'm just going to do, okay, is to highlight everything, okay, on the converted PDF plan, okay, then right click, then click on move, then I'm going to click on this node here, okay? But the fastest method is just to zoom everything, okay? And because I already know that the point is somewhere above, okay, somewhere above here, so I'm just going to click on that and try to move it closer, okay. I'm going to click on it as well, highlight everything. So just follow me carefully, right click, then move the plan closer. I'll still do my zoom extend so that I can see the correct coordinates. This is the correct coordinate somewhere here, all right. And this I'm going to highlight to see my plan, okay. And this is the plan here, okay. The correct coordinate is somewhere here and my plan here. So I'm going to highlight everything on the converted PDF plan, click on move, and I'm going to click on that. Make sure that your old snap is activated here. Then I'm just going to click somewhere here to be closer to the points, corrected points. So as you can see now, they're a little bit closer. So these are the 2 points here. So this is the corrected point here, and this is the converted PDF point, all right. So I'm going to highlight that, right click, then move it. So I'm going to move it closer to the point, okay. Then I'm going to click on zoom extend, okay. So as you can see, they are getting more closer, and I'll just keep repeating the process until I am very close, very close, all right. So as you can see, I am close to the point. This is the PDF converted DWG file, and what I'm going to do is just to highlight everything, then choose the exact point, okay. I'm going to right click, then choose the exact node point, okay. Then I'm going to zoom in, then zoom to this particular point here. So this is the node here, and click on enter, all right. So as you can see now, I have moved the plan to the right coordinates that it is expected to be. So I'm just going to delete the plotted coordinates beacon, all right. Then I'm going to confirm this coordinate of this point again. So by going to my command line, type PO, click on type ID rather, okay, and click on enter. Then I'm going to click on the BDP1 point again to confirm. So as you can see, it is highlighted here, but let me show it to us better again. So as you can see, this is the coordinates that it is reading now, and it is the correct coordinates so far. I hope we understand. So that is how to convert PDF to DWG and put it on the right coordinates, all right, to represent the plan, boundary points, and the coordinates of the point whatsoever. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe icon on this channel, as well as the notification bell to support and encourage us. Thank you. See you next time.